Most people think that getting a cash offer on their home in Colorado is impossible without putting it in the MLS. But that is not true. In fact, you can get a cash offer on your home in as little as 7 days without ever putting it out into the public. Right now, savvy homeowners are skipping the traditional process and avoiding all of the open houses and listing the property online, all of that stuff, by reaching out to a team like myself and getting a cash offer in as little as 7 days. Unlocking this advantage is super simple and it's pretty easy. This has nothing to do with paying high agent commissions, waiting months for your property to sell, or jumping through a bunch of hoops. The key to unlocking this advantage is just working with a team like mine at Adams Sells Denver. We've got an extensive network of buyers ready to make cash offers in very little time. Imagine selling your home in just 7 days and being viewed as this homeowner with the skill set and this decisive ability to get the job done in no time. Tap below to discover exactly how my cash offer guarantee program works. The opportunity to sell your home quickly for cash won't last forever, so make sure you reach out soon. Look forward to connecting with you.